Hello students, I am Dr. M.H. Moulavi, Department of Chemistry, Anna Sahib Wagiri College, Othu, is teaching chromatographic technique for FY-based students. This is my lecture first. This is Michael Sweat and he is inventor of chromatography. Chromatography was first developed by the Russian botanist Michael Sweat in 1903 as he produced the colorful separation of plant pigments through column of calcium carbonate. Here, I will explain you the demonstrative experiment performed by the Michael Sweat for separation of plant pigments from the leaves. A glass column with a cotton plug attached to a stand. This glass column is filled with stationary phase like calcium carbonate and mobile phase as liquid solvent is passed through it. These were the two components in first chromatography used, that is stationary phase and the mobile phase. When the plant leaves extract from the spinach leaves was kept in contact with the stationary column and mobile phase was passed through it, plant pigments are separated like this in the form of color bands. Using this technique, Michael Sweat separated 5 plant pigments, naming chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthine, xanthophyll, and the carotene. All these plant pigments are separated by changing the mobile phase and changing the flask. Because of passing mobile phase, plant pigments are separated. First pigment separated by mobile phase. More mobile phase is passed over stationary phase. This is second pigment. This is third pigment. This is fourth. And it is fifth pigment. In Michael Sweat experiments, plant pigments are separated in the form of color bands in presence of stationary phase and mobile phase. So this technique is named as chromatography. In Russian language, chroma means color and graphy means study. So based on the color bands of plant pigments, this technique is chromatography. Definition of chromatography. Chromatography is an analytical technique widely used for separation, identification, and determination of chemical component of mixture. So, main aim or objective of chromatography is separation, identification, and the determination of chemical component of mixture. So, it is very useful technique. Components of the chromatography, as showed in the chromatographic technique by the Michael Sweat. There are two components in the chromatography. First is the stationary phase and second is the mobile phase. Stationary means fixed on place, it does not move, while mobile means Migrating from one place to the another, stationary phase is fixed while the mobile phase is passed over this. In stationary phase, solid or liquid is used. In mobile phase, liquid or gas is used. Example of stationary phase, solids are silica, alumina, calcium carbonate, while liquids are polyethylene glycol. Mobile phases are liquid or gas. Examples are water and organic solvents in liquid form, while argon, helium, air, nitrogen in gaseous form. Technique of chromatography. In chromatography, mixture of solutes to be separated are kept in contact with stationary phase and mobile phase is passed over the stationary phase for separation. Chromatographic principle. This chromatographic principle is also known as principle of chromatographic separation. Main question is that why mixture of solute kept in contact with stationary phase and mobile phase is separated? So answer to this question, mixture of solute is kept in contact with stationary phase and mobile phase is moved over it. The mobile phase provides driving force to the solute and sets mixture of solutes in motion, while stationary phase provides retarding force. This retardation takes place by partition or adsorption. Different solutes are differing in extent of adsorption, desorption, or partition behavior on stationary phase, therefore retarded in different extent. This small difference in adsorption, desorption behavior is multiplied several times, leading to the separation of solute of mixture. In summary, we can say that differential adsorption or disadsorption behavior or partition behavior of solute in presence of stationary phase and the mobile phase is the main principle for chromatographic separation. This is a stationary phase over which we are keeping the mixture of solute by using adsorption or partition technique. This is natural phenomena. When a solute is kept in contact with solid, it is adsorbed or it undergoes partition in liquid form. When we pass the mobile phase over it, then separation takes place like this.